Hey guys, here's the unboxer. Today we will unbox the Patanjali atta Maggie noodles. Uh, let's see what is. It is the brand of Patanjali. The noodles look tasty. In this, wait guys, please. There are three steps. Put the masala in the Maggie after boiling the Maggie, and then boil it for 2 minutes and you will have a tasty Maggie. After this I will show you how to prepare this Maggie. See here, there are energy, protein, carbohydrates, sugar, total fat, saturated fat, mufa, fufa, no, trans fat, cholesterol, dietary fiber, iron, sodium. So let's cook this Maggie. I will show you after the Maggie prepared. So look here, it is looking tasty. Oh, I am cooking it. I will show you after I will cook it and I will taste it and बताऊंगा तुम्हें. Oh sorry, I will tell you. So look guys, as I have told, it is looking very tasty. Let me test.